Here's the latest winter weather briefing for today through Saturday, December 7th. First off, we still have a winter weather advisory that's in effect until 6 a.m. Friday for all of the South Plains, Rolling Plains, and far southern Texas Panhandle. The bottom line is this morning we do expect some very light wintry precipitation to begin developing and affect areas mainly in the southern South Plains, say from about Lubbock on southward. And this precipitation should also expand into the southern rolling plains, but by and large it'll be pretty spotty and light, so we don't expect a great deal in the way of impacts with that. But as you move on towards tonight, a much greater chance of widespread wintry weather, including accumulating snow and even some accumulating sleet, is on tap for much of the region. So a quick look at satellite imagery early this morning shows that we're watching one lead upper disturbance begin approaching from northern Mexico, highlighted right here. And as this draws closer, we do expect a greater chance of some light wintry precipitation begin developing across southeastern New Mexico and eventually expanding into the southern South Plains and southern rolling plains through the morning hours. Now, the best chance for wintry precipitation is still expected tonight, and that's as this disturbance, highlighted here by the arrow, begins moving towards the region. Now, most of the region is expected to remain below freezing through the weekend and even into Monday night and Tuesday morning, but the coldest air by far of this cold outbreak will be moving into the area on Saturday, when we could likely see record cold temperatures with wind chills of -10 to 0 degrees. Following this morning's round of mostly light wintry precipitation, we do expect a lull to develop at some point in the afternoon hours before the main storm energy impacts the region tonight with wintry accumulations. Now, on that note, snow amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected just about anywhere in the South Plains and Rolling Plains region, with locally higher amounts certainly possible. And particularly for the southern rolling plains, there could be some accumulations of sleet upwards of about a half an inch or so. And just to give you your heads up about Saturday for anyone planning travel, it'll remain cold, but we do see indications of freezing drizzle developing throughout the day on Saturday, especially on the Cap Rock. Regarding impacts, roads should trend progressively worse as we head into tonight and Friday morning, with additional travel concerns possible on Saturday wherever freezing drizzle does fall. But by far the most significant impact certainly looks to be prolonged freezing temperatures for nearly all of the region. So if you have water pipes that are prone to freezing over during cold waves like this, take the necessary precautions to prevent them from rupturing and causing water damage. Now, wind chills will also reach dangerous levels beginning Friday night, although the one saving grace with that is that wind speeds are really not forecast to be much more than 10 miles an hour.